done up here in Warsaw. What's very interesting is that they've got some heavy machinery, heavy pumped up cars. It's like boys with toys, absolutely driving nuts here. What you got to watch is that they're suddenly behind you and they're tailing you just inches away from your boot. It's terrible that you saw those cars. They have absolutely no idea of distance and anticipation. Let me tell you, I've seen 2 ambulances crashed on a tug. It's crazy how they drive. It's all those ladders have been replaced by BMWs, Mercedes, Rolls-Royce, Jaguars, and all sorts of things. These guys are just with little boys on toys. I mean, these are adult people. It's crazy. Look at this. It's a nasty piece of work.